It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. Check out what came today. My FabFitFun box. Super pretty box this month. So I am now paying for FabFitFun again. I was part of some program they were doing, and they sent me the box for a year, and then they stopped the program. So I'm like, I don't know. I don't really get it PR, but like I said, I got it free for a year. But I do like getting FabFitFun, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to re-up for another year. I do have a referral code. I can't remember what you get, though. I think you get like $10 off or something, and then I get $10. I don't know. If you decide you want FabFitFun, there is a coupon link, so I'll put that below. But I can't remember what you get. You got to click on the link to see what you get. But I'm going to open this up. I actually do enjoy getting FabFitFun. It's only $49 a quarter, and I definitely feel like you get way more than $49 worth. A lot of it is like super customizable now, which I kind of like and I kind of don't, because it's kind of fun to get like a mystery surprise. You know what I mean? My Scooby-Doo mystery. But usually what happens is I customize it, then I have no idea what I bought because it was so long ago, so this is all going to be a surprise for me anyway. So first thing I got here is the FabFitFun magazine. I usually like to read this. I'll take it at night and kind of scan through it. They got some good stuff in here. So we got the FabFitFun magazine. And then they usually put a couple of like coupons in here. Oh, pass this along to a friend. So maybe it's $5 off. I'll put the link below. Oh, $15 off. It says $15 off. So I think maybe the referral code is 15 then. So I'll put the link below for the referral code. And then, got paper. What do we have? Oh, HelloFresh. I just got HelloFresh. I kind of like it. I kind of don't. I like their pizza. I wasn't crazy about the chicken. It was a little bit too difficult to just make the meal. It's easier just to make a meal. But they do give you 17 free meals with HelloFresh. I kind of recommend getting the 17 meals free just because then you can try it out. And if you don't like it, then you just cancel. So what do I have in here? Ooh, check it out, you guys. I got hair clips. These are awesome. I do like these. These are like the little grabber clips. Remember the banana clip in the 80s? Oh my gosh, you guys. Now that my hair is long, I do like to kind of, you know, put it up if I'm washing my face or something, and those work really, really well. I'm pretty happy with the clips, number one. Number two, ooh, from Butter London, Teddy Girl. Check this out. Did I request this? I don't even know. Honestly, like, I have no clue. This was, I think it was, what, December? It feels like 1,000 years ago. Oh, it opens up. Look at this. It opens up like this. And there's a mirror on one side. Oh, this is pretty. Oh my gosh. I like Butter London. I'll have to say, look at how pretty these shades are. Those are gorgeous. Okay, I will definitely use that. So that's exciting. Got that. Okay, let me grab my garbage can here. Okay, next up, what the heck is this? No idea what this is. It looks like it's a stationery bundle. Did I get this? I swear, none of this sounds familiar. Honest to God. None of this sounds like something I would get. Why did we get a stationery bundle? I have no clue. But, oh, this is so cute. Oh, I do like this now. Maybe I did get this. These are so cute. Look, it's your birthday. Oh, that's so cute. Happy birthday. Thank you. Congratulations. That's actually kind of cute. Okay, I'm kind of glad I got this now. And then, what?
Maybe you got it because it was your birthday.
No, it wasn't a birthday present. I don't think it was a birthday present. No, they're not saying happy birthday to me. The cards say happy birthday. I was like, it's a birthday present. No, I don't think they care. It's my birthday. My birthday was in January, by the way. So, stationery set. That's funny. Next up, what did we get here? It's a Miracle Leave-In product, hair product. I swear they gave me someone else's box, you guys. I have no clue. Usually what happens is when I start to unbox it, I go, oh yeah, I remember I got this. This is so foreign to me. Okay, what else is this? This is the I know. This is someone else's box, you guys. Oh my gosh. The acrylic stemless wine glasses. I never would have got that. Never in a million years. I don't drink
Is your
wine.
name on the box?
It's like, is my name on the box? Yeah, my name's on the box. I swear though, they sent me someone else's choices. I know I didn't get the wine glasses. I'm not a wine drinker. I don't drink wine. What do they look like? Actually, you could use them for a juice glass. They're actually pretty. I kind of like them. Look at these. Aren't these pretty? They got like sparklies in them. These are cute. Could I have gotten these? I was like, oh, I'll use them as a juice glass. I don't know. Okay. I feel like this is a comedy of errors. Worst FabFitFun unboxing ever. These are really pretty, you guys. Look at these. There's like little like sparkly things in there. Those are nice. Maybe I should start drinking. Okay, so we got 4 of these. These are hand wash. We do not microwave. Oh, those are cute. Okay, so we got the 4 glasses, and then this feels like a really small box too. I swear, this box is really bizarre. Okay, we'll get rid of the box. Honestly, I don't remember ordering this either. It's a cooler. Do we need a cooler? I don't even know if I need a cooler. Actually, this isn't bad. You know what I could use this for? So yesterday, I told the story that my husband had his first Velcade infusion, it's called, and we had to go to the cancer center at like 10 in the morning, and we didn't leave till like 2 in the afternoon because they had to watch him for a while. And you know what I was wishing I had? I wish I had a cooler that I could have packed some food, because I ended up, I had a DoorDash Chick-fil-A over because we were starving. But you know what? I'm kind of wondering if I can just use this as a cooler to take in there. They'll probably think I'm like moving in, but this is actually not a bad cooler to take there. I could take some, put some ice in here, put a couple of sandwiches in here. So I'm liking this. That's actually a good thing. I don't know if we'll be there that long next time though. And here I'm walking in with luggage. So anyway, I feel like this was the biggest comedy of error FabFitFun unboxing I have ever done in my entire life. And I've done a lot of FabFitFun. So I actually do like the cooler. The cooler is nice. I like the wine glasses that I will use as juice glasses. You know what the weird thing is? I actually like everything I got, which is usually not the case for FabFitFun. So despite the fact that I have absolutely no recollection of ordering any of this, I'm pretty okay with everything. The Butter London palette is absolutely gorgeous. The leave-in hair product, I'll probably try it. Look up the brand. The stationery is cute. I'll use the hair clips. So, yeah, pretty good box. Boy, this was actually kind of fun. What do you think of the glasses? Not bad. My mother said they're not bad. Don't microwave them. They will melt. Anyway, if you are interested in who knows how much off FabFitFun, I'll put the link below. Click on the link. I think it's 15 off, but FabFitFun is pretty neat to get. I actually do like it. I've been getting it for years, and they're a really awesome box. So anyway, let me know what you think of my little products here, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.